Welcome to ClearTask. If Microsoft Excel keeps crashing, freezing, or simply won't open properly, we can fix it quickly without reinstalling the software. To begin, we need to launch the application in safe mode. This bypasses any corrupted settings or problematic extensions. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding the Control key, click on your Excel shortcut to open it. A prompt will appear asking if you want to start Excel in safe mode. Click Yes. If Excel opens smoothly in safe mode, the crashing is likely caused by a faulty add-in. Let's disable them to stop the crashing permanently. Navigate to the File menu in the top left corner, then scroll down and click on Options. In the Excel Options window, select Add-ins from the left sidebar. Look at the bottom of the window for the Manage drop-down menu. Change this to COM Add-ins and click Go. A new box will pop up. Uncheck all the boxes in this list to disable your active add-ins, then click OK. Close Excel completely and open it again normally without holding any keys. The application should now run smoothly. You can always re-enable your add-ins one by one later to find out exactly which one caused the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching.